What a difference a day makes. First, though, we're going to talk a little bit about what happened with the Trump administration. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled the cornerstone of his economic policy, which is that sweeping tariffs program.
What does that mean? Where do we go from here?
Right now, we know the Supreme Court has said that it is illegal. Let's check in with Charlie Wojciechowski with details. Charlie.
Marion and Natalie, it's illegal under emergency powers. According to the Supreme Court, that ruling today, the president does not have the power to impose such tariffs under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEPA. But this afternoon, he made it perfectly clear that he plans to find a way around that Supreme Court ruling.
The Supreme Court's ruling on tariffs is deeply disappointing, and I'm ashamed of certain members of the court, absolutely ashamed.
President Trump this afternoon lashing out at the Supreme Court personally and its decision to strike down his sweeping international tariffs.
This is one of the main things that I have made in India, fair trade.
But here at Tory Grace Outfitters in Chicago, the High Court's ruling was met with relief.
Yes, break out the champagne.
But Heather Polcaster is cautious. She has been forced to limit her wholesale clothing business so she can absorb the cost of the Trump tariffs. But the ruling today does give her a measure of hope.
I'm hoping that the Supreme Court ruling will stick and that the current administration will not figure out some other way to, take money from us, small businesses.
The High Court's ruling came in a case involving Learning Resources, a Vernon Hills company that makes educational toys. Stephen Waldenberg is the senior vice president of sales.
To me, it's a great example that our system still works. Rule of law still matters here. And you can get to the highest court in the land by challenging something.
The question remains, what will happen to the estimated more than $200 billion already collected in what are now considered illegal tariffs?
Well, Donald Trump owes the families of the United States and the families of the state of Illinois what seems to be about $2,000 per household for the illegal tariffs that he put on them.
But that might not be so simple. The president today promised to reinstate his signature tariff program under different laws. But Stephen Durloff, an economist with the University of Chicago, says the current tariff program has already caused significant harm to the U.S. economy.
That has changed international relationships in a way that American, as I said, credibility, trust in the country have been seriously damaged. And even if the tariffs are ended tomorrow, that loss of trust would take many, many years to resurface.
In its 6-3 ruling, the Supreme Court did not address the billions in tariff funds already paid. And the president has already announced a new 10% global tariff and his intention to use other laws that let him impose other additional tariffs in the future. Natalie, Marion, back to you.